Hi, in this video we will see what is ACOS function in Tableau. So ACOS function is another number function, or we can say a numeric function in Tableau, which returns the arc of cosine value which is given inside the function. So for that let's first create one calculation grid. Here I'll set the title as ACOS, and here I'll type the function. So after selecting the function, we can see this function takes one input as a number, and also we can see on the right side the we can see the definition of this function, which says the ACOS function returns the arc cosine of a number that results is in radian. So for example, here if I set the value as a minus of 1, and after that click on apply and okay. So take this ACOS function and drop it onto the text, and after that click on this drop down, select measure and click on the average. So we can see the value it is showing the 3.142, and if I again go to my function, right click this and click on edit. So we can see here, select the function. Now we can see here on the right side there is also showing one example related to this function. So here is also it also took the same example as a ACOS of -1. The answer is 3.14159 and so long. So the Tableau returns the approx value. So here it is showing 3.142. It is rounded up to 3 decimals, and so here you can see it is showing the 3.1415. So Tableau round up the whole value up to 3 decimals and return the number as a 3.142. So this is the radian value r cosine of -1, and also we can use this function on the on our data which is having the numerical value. So in our data we can see there are several measures which are discount, profit, uh, quantity and sales. So we can also use this ACOS function on this particular field. So we just have to click on edit, and here instead of number we just have to write the field name. So for example, discount. So after that, if I click on this discount and click on apply, so now this function returns the ACOS value of each of the value inside this particular measure, so which is dimension. So if I take the ship mode and drop it onto the row, and now if I take this discount and drop it onto the table, and now this time I'll take this ACOS value and drop it onto the table. So after that click on this drop down, measure and average. So this is the we can see here the average value of discount. So this is showing the 1.4. Oh, so we don't have to change this field, we just have to click on sum, and so this is the actual ACOS value of particular discount. So whenever we are dealing with the single value, so in the previous example we have used the -1, so in that case we have to use average. But whenever we are using onto our data, and we can say using in table calculation, so we just have to leave it as it is as a sum. So this is how we can use the ACOS function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.